Hey, are you tired of struggling with subpar tools and equipment that just can't keep up with your passion for automotive perfection? Well, buckle up, because today I'm bringing you 15 must-have garage essentials that every driver needs in their arsenal. From cutting-edge pressure washers and hoses that'll make your ride shine like new to smart storage solutions and organizational tools that'll turn your garage into a high-performance pit crew headquarters, these finds are about to revolutionize the way you maintain and enhance your beloved set of wheels. Welcome to Modi. As a lifelong car enthusiast, I only recommend tried and tested products to ensure you get uncompromising quality, exceptional functionality, and game-changing convenience. Whether you're a weekend warrior tackling DIY projects or a seasoned mechanic, these carefully curated items will take your garage and ride to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive-focused content. So, let's get started. First up, the Macmillan Short Pressure Washer Gun has revolutionized the way people approach car washing and exterior cleaning. Currently priced at $59.88, with a 7% discount, this powerhouse has earned its Amazon's Choice badge through sheer performance. The magic lies in its brass construction and innovative swivel inlet design. Imagine washing your car without constantly fighting with a twisted hose. What really sets it apart is the attention to detail. Pre-installed fittings with Teflon tape and Loctite means zero leaks right out of the box. With a maximum 3,000 PSI rating and compatibility with most foam cannons, it's no wonder over 2,000 users snapped it up last month alone. The lightweight trigger design prevents hand fatigue during those longer cleaning sessions, and the snub-nose design makes it incredibly maneuverable, especially in tight spaces. To complement that fantastic pressure washer gun, the M-Mingle 50-foot pressure washer hose offers exceptional value at $39.99, 13% off. This isn't your average replacement hose. It's a professional-grade powerhouse with a 3,600 PSI rating and impressive temperature tolerance up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. What really impresses customers is its universal compatibility with major brands like Karcher, Ryobi, Honda, and Simpson. The package includes a comprehensive set of adapters, M22 14mm fittings, and quick connect kits, making it truly plug-and-play. The non-marking, abrasion-resistant material means you can drag it across your driveway without worry, and its flexible design makes storage a breeze. Organization enthusiasts will love the Greenleaf WW3D Wonder Extension Cord Winder, a robust solution priced at $41.83. While it might look simple, its engineering is anything but. The heavy-duty construction can handle up to 150 feet of 14/3 or 16/3 gauge cords. What makes it particularly clever is the quick wind design that prevents tangling and wear. Users especially appreciate the portable nature of the unit, allowing them to easily move their organized cords between indoor and outdoor projects. The winder's wide base provides excellent stability during use, and the smooth rolling action means you won't be fighting with your cords anymore. The Hawkswell Parking Aid 2-pack addresses a common garage frustration in an ingenious way. At $23.39, these parking stops have transformed how people park in their garages. Each 18 by 3.5 by 1.25-inch unit can handle serious weight, thanks to its aluminum construction. The real innovation is in the installation. Unlike traditional parking stops that require drilling into your garage floor, these use a commercial-grade adhesive foam backing that's both secure and removable if needed. The high-visibility yellow safety stripes are actually reflective, making them visible even in low-light conditions. Each stop weighs 1.8 pounds and features an eco-friendly construction that doesn't off-gas like rubber alternatives. Lutron's Maestro Motion Sensor Light Switch 2-pack brings smart technology to your garage at an accessible $34.45, 25% off. These aren't just simple motion sensors, they're intelligent learning devices that adapt to your preferences over time. The sophisticated daylight detection system prevents unnecessary activation during daylight hours, while the adjustable sensitivity prevents false triggers from small animals or moving shadows. Installation is remarkably straightforward, requiring no neutral wire, and they're compatible with virtually any bulb type up to 250 watts for incandescent/halogen or 150 watts for LED/CFL. The ability to program different timeout periods, 1, 5, 15, or 30 minutes, makes them incredibly versatile. The Vivahome Electric Hoist represents serious lifting power at $119.99. This ETL-listed workhorse features a dual-mode operation system, single line for 220 pounds at 33 feet per minute or double line for 440 pounds at 16 feet per minute. The zinc-plated steel wire rope uses an anti-twist design that significantly extends its lifespan. What's particularly impressive is the built-in safety braking structure and emergency stop switch, providing multiple layers of protection. The quiet operation comes courtesy of a silent internal fan cooling system, and the unit can be mounted both vertically and horizontally for maximum versatility. The remote control features a generous cord length, allowing you to operate the hoist from a safe distance. Amazon Basics has hit a home run with their Dusk to Dawn LED bulbs 2-pack at just $8.56. These aren't your ordinary LED bulbs. They incorporate a sophisticated photocell sensor that accurately detects ambient light levels. The 60-watt equivalent output comes from just 9 watts of power consumption, translating to about $55.87 in savings over the bulb's 10,000-hour lifetime. The 5000K daylight color temperature provides excellent visibility without the harsh glare of traditional garage lighting. The E26 base fits standard fixtures, and the instant-on feature means no waiting for warm-up like with CFL bulbs. The Toic Wall Organizer Utility Storage Kit, priced at $116.99, 10% off, is a masterclass in garage organization. This 109-piece system isn't just a pegboard. It's a complete storage solution that includes heavy-duty hooks, bins, and specialized tool holders. The metal construction features a powder-coated finish that's genuinely rust-resistant, not just rust-delayed like cheaper alternatives. The 48-inch by 28-inch board comes with removable rail racks featuring rubber-coated hooks that prevent tool scratches. What sets it apart is the thoughtful inclusion of 6 storage bins perfectly sized for small parts and a 12-inch utility shelf that can handle power tools and their chargers. The edge-folded thickness of 5/8 inch creates the perfect spacing from your wall, ensuring hooks won't scratch your surface. The WRX Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table, available at $139.99, 7% off, has earned its impressive 4.8-star rating through clever engineering. This 30-pound marvel transforms from a full-sized workbench to a heavy-duty sawhorse in seconds. The surface area of 31 inches by 25 inches at a working height of 32 inch has been carefully calculated for optimal ergonomics. It includes 2 24-inch quick clamps capable of 301 pounds of clamping force and 4 clamp dogs for securing irregular shapes. The built-in measuring guide and tool-free setup make it indispensable for quick projects. Perhaps most impressively, it can support 300 pounds as a workbench and a whopping 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, despite its lightweight design. Smart Garage technology takes a leap forward with the Chamberlain Smart Garage Control at $29.98. This Wi-Fi-enabled device works with both 2.4 GHz networks and Bluetooth, making setup easier than ever. Compatible with most garage door openers manufactured after 1993, it enables Amazon Key in-garage delivery for Prime members, a game-changer for package security. The Mic app allows you to create schedules, grant access to family members, and receive real-time notifications. The system includes a door sensor that provides accurate status updates, and the hub's range extends up to 50 feet from your router, ensuring reliable connectivity throughout your garage. The Craftsman air compressor, priced at $199, represents American manufacturing excellence with its Tennessee-made construction. The 6-gallon pancake design achieves an optimal balance between portability and capacity. Its oil-free pump eliminates maintenance concerns while delivering 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, enough for most air tools with quick recovery times. The 150 max psi rating provides ample headroom for demanding tasks. The included 13-piece accessory kit features brass quick connect fittings, not the plastic ones often found in competitor kits. Users particularly praise its surprisingly quiet operation and the stability of its rubber-footed design. For serious garage organization, the FlexAmounts 4x8 overhead storage rack has become the #1 bestseller in its category at $179.99, 5% off. This heavy-duty system provides up to 105 cubic feet of storage space with its adjustable height from 22 inch to 40. The cold-rolled steel construction safely handles 600 pounds when properly installed, and the integrated grid design offers superior stability compared to separate frame and wire systems. What sets it apart is the ceiling bracket design that attaches to 2 studs, combined with 6 vertical posts for optimal weight distribution. The included installation template takes the guesswork out of mounting, and it fits all ceiling joist spacing up to 24 inch. The Garage Hooks, 12-pack wall storage hanger with 2 extension cord straps. This heavy-duty tool holder is a lifesaver for those who struggle to keep their garage tidy. Priced at just $28.95 with a 28% discount, these hooks are a steal. With a solid steel construction and a robust powder-coated finish, they can support a wide range of items, from power tools and gardening equipment to ladders and bikes. What's even more impressive is that over 1,000 customers have purchased this product in the last month, all while enjoying a stellar 4.7-star rating from nearly 3,000 reviews. Talk about a must-have garage essential. Next, let's talk about the 48-pack interlocking garage flooring tiles. Priced at $114.99, these 12 by 12-inch tiles are designed to withstand the toughest demands, with a load capacity of an impressive 40,000 pounds. The interlocking design and UV coating ensure that your garage floor stays looking sharp and free from unsightly buckling. And with over 200 units sold in the last month and a 4.1-star rating, these tiles are quickly becoming a garage game-changer. Finally, the Genie 7155 TKV Smart Garage Door Opener at $289.99 represents the pinnacle of garage door automation. The 1.25 HPC DC motor paired with a steel-reinforced belt drive ensures whisper-quiet operation, perfect for attached garages near living spaces. The integrated Aladdin Connect technology allows for sophisticated monitoring and control through your smartphone. What really impresses is the included battery backup system, ensuring operation even during power outages. The 5-piece rail system snaps together without additional hardware, And the BLT 3D interactive instructions make installation surprisingly straightforward. With a 500-pound capacity and compatibility with 7-foot doors, 8-foot with an extension kit, it's a comprehensive solution for modern garage needs. Phew, that's a wrap on the must-have garage items every driver should have in mind. Stay tuned, because we've got plenty more garage transforming essentials coming your way. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your car-loving friends, and subscribe for more automotive-focused content. I'll see you in the next one.